And for the last update of today, we've got gold and Bitcoin. With gold on the 4-hour time frame, we just wanted to show this clearly again. We have had our break of structure in towards the downside, and after a break of structure, we do anticipate a pullback in towards the upside. I do think that these lows here, we might run them out one more time, but I am pretty confident that we will start to see a bounce start to materialize on gold. Especially into next week, I am very bullish, expecting higher prices. And if we start to see that trend start to form, I'm going to be scaling in aggressively on this idea. As you can see though, this was the internal break of structure. This was the swing range. We liquidated this high. We instantly broke the demand zone that was in control. And then since then, we have just continued to sell off. This is a position I did highlight over the last few days. We were either anticipating a break and a close above to then look for longs, and the other option was just looking at this as a short position once we break this, and we could start looking for these lows to get taken out here. If we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, what we can see is we had our most recent break of structure over here. This is our current swing range that we're trading within, and now we're just waiting to see what price will do. We've got an internal trend that was pushing price up, which has now failed. This is the break of structure down, swing high, swing low on the internal, and any retracement towards points of liquidity could be that fuel to kick another leg down lower. If we go on to Bitcoin, what we can see is on the daily time frame, we've had our break of structure in towards the downside, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. I do anticipate us getting a break and a close below this level to confirm a break of structure after this strong sell-off in towards the downside. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is we haven't had that pullback in a very long time. We've had a break of structure down, swing high, swing low. We've not got many points of liquidity within this overall impulse, but any of these points could be that fuel to push price back down. Even this first point here, it is close enough to the 50 for me to look at taking a position, although it does look like at the moment supply is in control. This supply zone here is in control. If we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, what we could look for is a short from this level. So this is the supply zone in control. If we see a break of any of these highs, see that structure start to shift, we can position ourselves in longs to take out all of this resting liquidity over here.